In the last link video, I said that exactly right here we have a lot of liquidations at 23.6 to 23.7. We hit that, and not only did we hit that, we also hit a major area on the daily chart, which was the 23.7 area. We're slowly moving towards a few other areas that are interesting, but I have enough information right now to draw a conclusion, and the conclusion is that I want to be short. So obviously this video is no financial advice, but let me show you the exact setup I'm looking for. First of all, on the long-term chart, I want to mark out the fact that I'm short, and on the short-term chart, I want to mark out the fact that I'm short. I'm going to be target the view up or the 50 EMA or the 200 EMA, one of these levels with this trade. So mark it out just like so. I do not want to waste a second of your time, so this is basically the price prediction. If you appreciate it, hit the like button. If you're wondering how I'm up 260 grand on BloFin, if you're wondering how I'm up, let's load this up and click max 28 grand on this new wallet. Use the link in the description down below to sign up for my course. It's pretty cheap, and you can just also sign up to my signals chat. It has all my trades live. Also, I am making the switch to BloFin. They're giving away a $30 bonus plus 50% off your spot fees. So definitely to check them out. Live with all my heart. This video is no financial advice. Bye.